Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Costco haul for the month of May and I got quite a bit of stuff. We were out of a lot of things. I wanted to get a few things just for kind of a back stock to try to avoid some of the mess with the tariffs and all that. So let's just get into it. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And if you're interested in the prices of anything, I'll have that listed in the description box down below. So the first thing I got was this 2-pack of Oat Nut Bread. This is the bread that we use primarily for like sandwiches. And then the sourdough bread we use that for like toast typically. Avocado toast or toast with like cottage cheese on it. So I keep that in the freezer. And then these Ancient Grains probiotic granola. We love this on our yogurt. A 2-pack of the Cheddar Jack shredded cheese. This was a new product. It's 4 packs of beans and rice. And it says you cook each pack for 2 minutes. So I thought that would be handy to have for sides with dinner, especially Cinco de Mayo is coming up. So I'm sure I'll do tacos or something for Cinco de Mayo. Some Chomps. We love this as a snack. We are all out of salsa, so I needed to get some salsa. This Catalina Crunch. I love this in yogurt bowls or mixed in with like a Ninja Creamy as a kind of a crunchy topping. That's a really great go-to. There's no sugar, 11 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fiber. And the serving size is a half of a cup. So it's kind of like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We were out of strawberry jam, so I needed to get some of that. I got another 8-pack of tuna fish just to throw in the pantry. This is a new product I saw. I've never seen this at Costco before. This is the Greek-style pita. And it's 12 flatbreads. So my oldest loves gyros, and they had some, like a gyro pack of meat. I'll show you in a second. But anyway, I got this to make gyros with. Some of this Olive Garden dressing. We love this as a marinade. Also, just to use on salads as well. So here's the gyro slices. It's beef and lamb. So I figured this would get us several different dinners, probably 3 different dinners. Throw those in the fridge. These maple chicken patties by Amy Lou. This brand is really good. So there's 14 grams of protein per patty, or 2 patties, I guess is the serving size, and 3 grams of added sugar. And then this Sunbum SPF 50 spray sunblock. I got the lotion kind last time I was at Costco, and we need some more spray because that's just an easy like reapply when we're on the go. I got some vanilla, 2 packs of this Tillamook medium cheddar cheese, the sliced cheese. We go through this. This is like our go-to, so we'll keep those in the garage fridge as backup. Green beans. I'm gonna do a side, like green beans as a veggie side with dinner for a couple of dinners. Some more Crest 3D white just to throw in our cupboard. Some little creamy potatoes. I love these, just chopped in half with some olive oil and salt, roasted at 420 degrees for like 25 minutes. Super good. I think I showed you the Chomps already. These looked so delicious. So these are the Churro donut bites, and I thought this would be a fun treat for the weekend for the boys, and just for all of us to have. Raos, love this tomato sauce. It was on sale. This turkey breast is our go-to turkey breast. I still have, I think, 2 packs of these left, like 2 like that, in our fridge. But again, this will get eaten, and it doesn't expire until June 14th. I've been loving these Envy apples. For my yogurt bowls, I've been using the Oikos yogurt or just plain yogurt. And then I put chia seeds in it, flax seeds, and I chop up an apple and put it on top with some almonds for the extra crunch. And it's so satisfying and delicious. Some rotisserie chicken. I don't know what we're going to do with that yet. Probably have chicken, like Buddha bowls. Cucumbers, either for the gyros or just like for chopping and eating with hummus. Some more coffee creamer. This creamy dill pickle chopped salad kit. I thought this would be fun to try. It doesn't expire till May 10th, and today is the 2nd. So over the next couple weeks, we'll have that. 2 of these Smarty Pants kids vitamins. So my kids have not missed a day of school this year, which has never happened. And these are the vitamins they've been taking. So I figured I would just stock up on these. They don't expire until, gosh, when do these expire? I looked at the store. 2026. So we're good on those for a while. I got some of the Chosen Foods avocado oil spray. Stocked us up on ibuprofen, some whole bean French roast coffee, some Cetaphil cleanser for the cupboard just to keep us stocked, some Cascade dishwasher detergent, a Cesar salad kit, some hummus. I've been loving these microgreens on breakfast sandwiches, so I got some more of those, some blueberries. This Motor City pizza. So this is a double pepperoni Detroit style deep dish pizza. We've never had this. It's a 2-pack. And we do pizza for dinner a couple times a month on Friday. So we're going to do this for dinner tonight, probably with one of those pickle salad kits or the Caesar salad kit. So that's the plan for tonight. This tri-tip, I figured over the next couple weeks I will grill this because it's been 80 degrees here in Northern California where we are, and it's been so nice to grill a few times over the last couple weeks. So we'll throw that on the Traeger. Some carrots. We got this Cool Plus, what is this? Probiotic cultured dairy beverage. We get this every so often, and we'll just, my husband and I and both our boys will have one a day whenever we remember to take one. So I'll throw that in our garage fridge. The Oikos 000 yogurt, we love that. 15 grams of protein. There's 6 strawberry, 6 mixed berry, and 6 vanilla. No added sugar or artificial sweeteners, it says. 2 gallons of 2% milk. Some of this Amy Lou meatball, basil and Parmesan meatballs are super good. We needed some olive oil, plain Greek yogurt, these Pupusas. These are super good. We've had those several times, and I just throw those in the freezer, and we'll do dinner with those like twice. Chicken breast, I'll cut those apart and put them in my outside freezer. Some strawberries, some grapes, some low-fat cottage cheese, little tomatoes, these chicken apple sausages by Adele's. And then we love Premier Protein shakes. I got the strawberry flavored ones. So I've been making matcha at home, like iced matcha. And I saw somebody put a strawberry protein shake with their matcha. And I thought I would give that a try as a fun, iced, healthy drink. So there's only 1 gram of sugar per container of these and 30 grams of protein. And then some Tide Pods, some garbage bags, some Downy scent boosters, and some paper plates. So that is what we got at Costco for the month of May. Let me know if you've found anything new and exciting at your Costco, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.